Hello guys and welcome back to our channel Abhyas Record. I am Riddhi and today I am back with a new video. This video is based on your algebra textbook first lesson, that is linear equation in two variables. Last year also the last lesson of your textbook was linear equation in two variables and you were introduced to some ways of solving them. But this year there are some advancement in those lessons and those ways, and you will be introduced to those ways. So let's begin the video and see the ways to solve them. And if you are new to the channel, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Let's begin the video. So guys, here we will begin with the first lesson, which is linear equations in two variables. So first we will see the introduction to the linear equations in two variables. Even last year we have seen what are linear equations in two variables, but just a revision of it. First we will discuss what are linear equation in two variables. Here the terms are linear equation and variable, two variable. These four terms are very important. What are linear, what are equations, what are variables, what are coefficients, that things we all know. We know that linear equations means the expressions which are having both LHS and RHS. Like if I take 2x plus 1, this is a expression, and when I say that this is 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, that time this has both LHS and RHS. So this is a perfect equation. So what is linear equation? We have seen the degrees or the indexes like x raised to 2, x raised to 3, x raised to 4. Sometimes there is only x. So in this way, when an equation has the highest power or the highest index only 1, it is called as linear. When this power or index is x raised to 2, that is x square, it is quadratic. And when the same is x raised to 3, then that time this one is cubic. So what we will see now? Linear. That means whatever the equation we are having, the highest power or the index of the equation is 1. Now here we are done with the two terms, that is linear and second is equation. From this we come to know the definition of linear equation. What is the definition? The expression which is having the highest power as 1 and both the LHS and RHS are called as linear equations. But it doesn't get over only on linear equations. What the question is? Linear equation in two variables. The name of the lesson is linear equation in two variables. So we are done with the two terms, that is linear and equation. Now we will see what are those variables. We know that there are two terms, namely coefficient and variable. So if I am having 3x as a number, as a polynomial, then from this the x or the alphabet which is used is the variable and this 3 is coefficient. From this explanation we come to know about the basic structure of linear equation in two variables. We know linear is having the highest power 1. Equation means having both LHS and RHS. Then variables, that is any alphabet is used in this, like x, y, z, p, q, anything, and only one term, that is 2. That means in this linear equation, instead of one variable, two variables are used. So what it must be? It can be like 2x plus 3y is equal to 10, or 4y plus 5x is equal to 20. In this way it can be. So the linear equation which is having two variables, that variables can be anything between a to z, two variables and two coefficients, those are known as linear equation in two variables. It's not necessary that the coefficients must be 2, but there is a restriction that there must be only two variables because the explanation is in the name, linear equation in two variables. It's properly told that there must be only two variables. So it is a restriction or a compulsion that only two variables must be present in those equations. Now, last year we had seen the ways to solve the linear equations. There are two ways to solve the linear equations. First is graphical and second is algebraical. First is graphical and second is algebraical. So we had seen last year what are graphical, or even this year we are going to see how to solve linear equations using graphical method. In graphical method, if two linear equations are given, we have to draw the graph of both the equations, and the point of intersection is the value of x and y in that equation. And the second is algebraical method. Algebraical method has three ways to solve this one. The first one is elimination method. The second one, substitution method. And the third one is Cramer's rule. This Cramer's rule is even known as determinant method. So last year we have seen what are elimination and substitution method. This year we are going to see this Cramer's rule and graphical method. So for today we will only see what are the ways to solve the linear equation and introduction to linear equation in two variables. Do watch the next video to see how to solve them using Cramer's rule and how to solve them using graphical method.